In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently stop pop-up notifications on the Shein app for your Android device. If you find those constant notifications distracting or simply want to enjoy a smoother experience without interruptions, this guide is for you. We'll walk through each step together, so grab your Android device and let's get started. First, you want to locate and open your phone's settings. You can usually find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a little gear icon. Opening your settings is your first step toward managing and controlling what notifications you receive and which ones stay silent. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you come across the section labeled Apps or Applications. It might vary slightly depending on your device's model or the software version, but it typically stays close to these terms. Tap on this option to proceed. This part of the settings allows you to see all the apps installed on your phone and manage their settings individually. The next move is to find the Shein app in that list. Once you've located Shein, give it a tap to open its app-specific settings. This is where you can dive deeper into what the app can do on your phone and how it interacts with you as a user. In the Shein app settings, you'll see an option labeled Notifications. Tap on this to enter into the notification settings of the Shein app. Here you can get more detailed control over what types of notifications, if any, you want to receive. You'll notice a toggle switch next to Allow Notifications. By default, this is usually set to the on position, which is why you're getting those pesky pop-ups. What we want to do here is tap this toggle switch to turn it off. Once switched, it means the Shein app will no longer have permission to send you pop-up notifications. That's really all there is to it. With notifications now toggled off for the Shein app, you've regained a level of control over your phone's interruptions. No more pop-up notifications flooding your screen at inopportune moments. You'll find it surprisingly easy once you know where to look, and it can make using your device much more enjoyable without those constant interruptions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you found this video useful, consider hitting the like button or subscribing for more tech tips and tricks. Have a wonderful interruption-free day.